What is up, everyone? Today what we're gonna do is actually pretty crazy. Gattık var, gattık. Oh man. Whew, let's go. I've been kind of cooking here and there, and my wife told me that I should record it. So I actually decided today to make traditional Azerbaijani dish. It's called Dovga. I'll show you how to make it, and this is my first time trying it, so it could be complete fail, but I will honestly let you know at the end if it's good or no. In fact, if it's, you probably wouldn't be watching this video if it's not good, because I'm probably not going to be posting it if it's not good, okay? It's relatively easy to make. It consists of yogurt. Make sure it's not like with a fruit or anything, just plain yogurt. And it has a lot of green stuff. Okay, so we're gonna use some cilantro, we're gonna use some green onion, and I'm gonna list everything you need because, again, I'm not a big cook guy, but here and there I like to just kind of look up the recipe and just go for it, and this is one of them. So you're also gonna need some mint and some spinach, some dill, how could I forget to turn on some national Azerbaijani music? You have to do that. Alright, so then what we do, cut it up. Need a little bit of a paper towel, because you can't leave it wet, so it has to be dry. Right. Just quick advice on the dill. If you're gonna buy it like from Walmart, it's actually pretty pricey because they sell it like in a small packages, and it's real expensive. You can go to like any European market in your area, or like Russian stores, Ukrainian stores, any like international market, and they're gonna have it there for a lot cheaper. It smells delicious too. And just so you understand, I am a steak kind of guy, and I still think it smells delicious. I should probably take a bigger knife, huh? All of you making fun of me right now. Well, we'll see who's gonna be laughing when I'm gonna be eating this. I know dill is called ukrop, cilantro is called kinza. Spinach is actually called spinach. Green onion, zelený luk. Mint is called pretty similar too. It's called mята. Mint. Alright, look at this. I'm giving you cooking lessons. I'm teaching a different language. Alright, so then you let it dry a little bit on that paper towel, because you don't want it to be wet, okay? And while we're waiting on that, we're gonna need garbanzo beans. We're also gonna need some rice. You don't wanna cook it. You want to medium cook it. You don't need a lot of rice. Just a couple tablespoons. You're also gonna need some eggs. We can fix it. Alright, so what you do with the egg, you actually, some rice, a couple spoons, not a whole lot. We'll put eggs in there. So you need 1 egg to 1 kilogram of yogurt. I have about around 3 kilograms of yogurt, so it's around 100 ounces of yogurt. You need 3 eggs for 100 ounce or 3 kilograms, okay? And besides eggs and rice together, you're gonna need a flour. Again, different recipes say different things. So the more flour you add, thicker it gets. So instead of kind of soup, it's gonna be more dish. So, but we're gonna keep it somewhere in the middle. So I know some people put half of a tablespoon. We're gonna put like 1 tablespoon. But I know people put even 2 tablespoons. Don't put this too far because you're still gonna need that. So then you just mix it up. All right. So this is ready. Not supposed to have a whole lot of beans, but I like a lot of beans in Dovga. Now that the greens almost dried up, we're gonna put them whole in one bowl. Yeah, this is how much green you want. A lot. Alright, then we just we put yogurt. So in Azerbaijan, they call this katır. And it's funny, they have a service. I wouldn't call it service, but there are a lot of sales guys, entrepreneurs, that are walking around houses and they just scream, "Katır var, katır, katır," which means that they have yogurt available. And you just buy this, and it doesn't look that fancy. Just it's in one big like bowl, and you buy it pretty cheap. It's usually pretty good too. So here you have to get out of the house, drive to the store. Alright, so let's fly over here for a little bit and show you that we got a lot of yogurt here. So you want to kind of stir it. Spoiler alert, you're going to be stirring a lot with this dish. We haven't turned on the stove yet. I'm gonna have to kind of mix it up first, and then we're gonna add water to it. Water. Bam. In the traditional Azerbaijani ways, you're supposed to have a wooden spoon. I don't have a wooden spoon, deal with it. Well, I should say my wife doesn't have a wooden spoon, because it's her kitchen, I rarely cook, so blame my wife if anything. Alright, so you mix it up. It looks pretty waterish. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna add some more flour. Another tablespoon. As you add that, and as soon as you mix it up, it's not gonna be as watery anymore. And then, whew, let's go! We're gonna start the dough. We're gonna put it on high, and then we're gonna stir it. You can't walk away. So the trick with this dish is you cannot walk away from it for 15/30 minutes at the very least. You kind of stuck here. You have to be here. You have to stir Otherwise, if you don't stir, I don't know what the term is called in English. And then we're gonna stir at least until we see bubbles. We don't want to like boil it, but we want to see like right before it starts boiling. We're gonna start adding stuff. So when you see bubbles, I think we start seeing bubbles, we're gonna add our stuff. Whoop. That prevents the yogurt from getting crazy on us. Okay? And of course, it adds some taste and stuff too. So, and then when you put that in, you can actually start putting our salad. And as far as salt goes, I did not forget about that. You want to put it at the end, and you kind of go by taste. And it's if you put the salt in the beginning, very likely your yogurt in warm temperature is not going to like you, so it's not going to be good. So don't put salt in the beginning. And then we're gonna add some garbanzo beans. I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty much gonna stir until our salad changes the color. It's gonna be darker. And now, right about now, we're gonna put some salt. Not like your steak that you just throw on the grill and sit there and drink and sip beer. You actually have to work. It does smell like Dovga. I can't believe I made it. Been asking to make this for me, for my wife forever. If my wife doesn't do it, I'll do it myself. Alright, I think we are done here. Alright, now it's boiling, so we need to stop, I guess. Uh-oh. Damn it. Don't you hate when that happens? I clean the hands. Alright. Probably gonna cut this off so my wife doesn't see this. Not that she watches my videos.